Go to the sink and pick up your toothbrush. Make sure it's clean and ready to use. Your toothpaste is right there. Let's get started. Squeeze just a little bit of toothpaste onto the bristles, about the size of a pea. Now, place the toothbrush in your mouth and start brushing. Move your toothbrush in small, gentle circles. Make sure to clean the front, back, and sides of all your teeth. Keep going until your whole mouth feels fresh and clean. Take a cup of water, swish it around in your mouth, and spit it out into the sink. This washes away any leftover toothpaste and germs. Look in the mirror and show off your clean, shiny teeth. You did it! Now your smile is bright, and your teeth are happy and healthy. Great job! Remember to brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed.
Grab your brush, do-do-do-do-do-do. Swish and scrub, do-do-do-do-do-do. Rinse it out, do-do-do-do-do-do. Shiny teeth, yeah. Up and down, do-do-do-do-do-do. Round and round, do-do-do-do-do-do. Keep them bright, do-do-do-do-do-do. Morning, night, yeah. Super strong, do-do-do-do-do-do. Bye-bye germs, do-do-do-do-do-do. Healthy smile, do-do-do-do-do-do. Feeling fresh, yeah. 2 whole minutes, brush real nice. Front and back, now left to right.